How is it you're opening your actual cold calls? Is it a, hi, it's Richard here. Hey, it's Richard here. Hello, Richard here. How is it that you're opening it and what difference does it make? Hi guys, my name is Deepak Shukla, founder at Pearl Lemon Sales. We're a sales training and development agency based in the UK but serving clients worldwide. And today we're here to talk about hi versus hey versus hello training in day 4 of 119 days of sales training. And feel free to click the link below to get an additional 17 strategies not shared in this training. So I'm quite excited to talk about this one today because we're getting into some of the bones of actual placing cold calls and what it entails and what it means, and thinking about some of the semantics around actually how you utter your first word or your first words when someone picks up the phone. Okay, so this is something that really I don't see many people going into, but thinking about the differences of these three does make a difference when you're calling. Okay, so just hear it out as I say it and you'll see what I mean. So let's just imagine we're calling from marketing director. Hi, is Richard there? Hello, is Richard there? Hey, is Richard there? Do you see that there's slight nuances in each of them? Let's try that again. Hi, is Richard there? Hey, is Richard there? Hello, is Richard there? So based upon all of these, it really underlines different levels in fundamentally formality. Okay. Wow, even with this, my writing is terrible. So that's something that you should erase drawings. Nice. Okay, I didn't know we could do that. So that's something that you should really consider when it comes to the way that you open your call. Hi, is Richard around? Sounds quite formal. Hello, is Richard around? Sounds quite formal. Hey, is Richard around? Sounds quite friendly. So we've gone from formals, FOs, we've gone from formals, so we've got the FOs here, to the friendlies, okay? Now, at a simplistic level, you really want to go fundamentally into the friendly bucket versus the formal bucket, okay? Why? Because it's going to really engender the sense of friendship between you because of the rule of reciprocity, but also depending upon who you speak to, and you're sometimes going to go from, and we'll talk about this later, but from gatekeeper to decision maker. That's generally the trope. Sometimes you can go directly to the decision maker, but depending upon what this makeup looks like, it's always powerful to go with the, hey, is Richard there? Hi, is Richard there? Hello, is Richard there? And depending upon the word you actually use, it also can have implications for the next word in that actual phrase. So, hi, is Richard around? Doesn't quite make sense, does it? Because is someone around definitely takes more of a friendly tone, right, than it does a formal tone. So when you say, hi, is Richard around? It doesn't quite feel right. Hello, is Richard around? Again, feels weird. Hey, is Richard around? Do you see? Can you just hear the difference between the hey versus the hi and the hello? So there are further nuances depending upon the industry that we're talking to and what kind of actual message or energy you're trying to convey. But hi versus hey versus hello does actually make a difference to the way that you ultimately open your cold call. It always starts with one of these three words. I don't really, I'm trying to think even now. I can't think of a situation where you wouldn't start with one of these, the hi, the hey, or the hello. And for that reason, it's important to think about when is it contextually relevant to use one of these actual phrases. And a lot of it, which we'll go on to talk about, of course, in other videos, depends upon how the person on the other end receives or answers the call, because the first thing you're going to hear typically is them saying, good afternoon, good morning, hello, hi, or just their name or just the name of the company, some variation around that. So it'd be, good morning, Frank speaking, good morning, Frank at Marks, Frank at Frank Limited, or it could be Frank Limited, morning, Frank Limited, hi, this is, hi, hello, hi, Richard here. So there'll be some kind of variation around these elements. And depending upon how people answer, you need to think about using one of these variations. But a real key and trick to remember is that we've got a couple of variations here, right? We've got hi, we've got hey, and we've got hello, and this is formal, right? This is formal, hello, hi, hi, and then the one that you've got that's friendly is the hey. And the friendly, in terms of what's more powerful overall, it's definitely this ballpark here that's going to get you into more rooms, get you into more doors. But it depends really on what you say immediately after. So here you would use the theirs. In here you could use the theirs as well as the arounds, or in. Hey, is Richard in? Hi, is Richard in? So again, as you can see, just from that element, that tonality plays a part of it as well, which we'll come to talk about in our tonality tricks training. But it's actually something that's worth thinking about: when to use your highs, when to use your hey, and when to use your hello, and thinking about what implications that has from the way that you open your cold call.
Remember, we've got 17 gated strategies just waiting for you. All you need to do is bing, subscribe, as well as click the link in the description below to get access to those 17. Get some.